Welcome. In this video I want to show you how to restore your iPad Pro by using iTunes. So in the very beginning we have to open our iTunes application. You can download it from Apple website or Apple Store. Then we have to plug our iPad Pro into our PC. So you can do this by using USB cable. So let's do this, just like that. Okay, excellent. So it doesn't matter, so I can just choose later. Now we need to come back to our iTunes application. We need to click on this icon. After that we have to choose Restore Backup, and from the list we need to choose our iPad name. So in my case it's just iPad, and we need to click Restore. Just tap on it, and then we have to wait a couple of minutes. Okay, so here we have to just tap OK. Just click on it. Our iPad is turning on, so just wait a couple of seconds still. Okay, so our iPhone just turned on, so everything goes well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.